touching, typing, and swiping. A mobile phone has 7 times more bacteria than a toilet. Gross, we know. Introducing Ocushield, the world's first medically approved self-cleaning screen protector created by eye care professionals. Designed to destroy harmful germs on your phone screen. When you or anyone else touches your phone, it cleans itself. Created by eye care professionals to look after your eyes, it has become the Swiss Army knife of screen protectors. It does it all. Thanks to its blue light blocking technology, it gives you a great night's sleep by keeping your circadian rhythm in check. Use your digital devices as long as you want without getting sore eyes or disrupting up your body. Ocushield blocks blue light while keeping a crystal clear image. No retro orange tinge. Night mode. You won't even notice it's on there. Built to protect your phone first, you can be assured Ocushield is as tough as nails, made from tempered glass, 5 times stronger than other traditional screen protectors, and completely waterproof. It's simple to apply with our easy-to-use applicator. No bubbles here. At Ocushield, since 2015, we've helped over 100,000 people worldwide protect their eyes and their technology devices. We have received press coverage all over the world, including Forbes, Mashable, Digital Trends, Yahoo, and more. So what are you waiting for? Grab your antimicrobial blue light screen protector today and check out all the other cool products we have too.